Good evening, folks, and thanks for joining me at this hour now. This evening's top story will be talking about the latest updates about COVID-19. Prime Minister Justin Trudeau is calling on the House of Commons to pass the emergency aid for Canadians and businesses. The bill came from Finance Minister Bill Morrow, titled COVID-19 Emergency Response Act, containing $82 billion total. $27 billion for Canadians and $55 billion for the economy and for businesses that need to pay their taxes. This afternoon, Conservative leader Andrew Scheer said he would like to pass the measures spelled out by Trudeau and Finance Minister Bill Morrow last week. The bill includes key legislative changes aimed at directly respond to the COVID-19 pandemic, including counting how many money each province is going to prepare for the coronavirus. Canadian workers will be absent for 16 weeks from work amid the coronavirus pandemic, creating a new Public Health Events of National Concern Payments Act, requiring the Finance Minister to spend the money on anything, including payments to provinces and territories, providing the Finance Minister a range of new powers related to procuring, loaning to, merging, selling, winding up, or dissolving corporations, and allowing the authorization of the Health Minister the ability to make, construct, use, and sell a patented invention to the extent necessary to respond to the public health emergency. The House and Senate were both suspended to limit the spread of the virus and were not to resume until the week of April 20th, though now is likely to stand adjourned for longer once these measures pass, unless the government makes a declaration under the Emergencies Act, which requires parliamentary approval.
Passing this bill today means getting you the support you deserve as soon as possible. When you're trying to help get money out to people, speed is of the essence, especially in an unprecedented situation like this one.
Today, Conservatives would like to focus on Canadians and passing the measures the Prime Minister announced last week. Any conversation about new government powers should not get in the way of passing this much-needed assistance.